Ever pondered over the process of creating an account with Upstox and enabling futures and options? Well, it's a journey that can be broken down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Today we unravel this process, step by step, to ensure you're well-equipped to dive into the world of trading. To kick things off, it's important to understand that Upstox is one of the leading discount brokers in India. It offers a platform for trading in equities, futures, and options. But before you can start trading, you need an account. So, how does one create an account with Upstox? First things first, you'll need to visit the Upstox official website. Here, you'll find an option to open DMAT account. Click on this and you'll be ushered into the world of Upstox account creation. Next, you'll need to provide your mobile number and email address. Once you've done this, you'll be sent an OTP, or one-time password, to verify your credentials. Now, with your credentials verified, it's time to fill in your personal details. This includes your name, date of birth, and address. You'll also need to provide your bank account details, including the account number and IFSC code. Following this, you'll be asked to upload certain documents. These include your PAN card, Aadhaar card, a recent photograph, and your signature. Once you've uploaded all the necessary documents, you'll need to digitally sign the application using your Aadhaar. With these steps completed, you'll have successfully created your account with Upstox. But wait, there's more. You've created your account, but how do you enable futures and options? To do this, you'll need to log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Profile section. Here, you'll find an option to Enable F&O segment. Click on this, and you'll be prompted to complete an IPV, in-person verification process. This process involves a short video call where you'll need to verify your identity. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process and won't take much of your time. Once you've successfully completed the IPV process, your application to enable futures and options will be submitted. Typically, it takes about 24 to 48 hours for Upstox to process this application, and voila! You've not only created your account with Upstox, but you've also enabled futures and options. In summary, the process involves visiting the Upstox website, providing your credentials and personal details, uploading necessary documents, digitally signing your application, and finally, enabling futures and options through the IPV process. Remember, the world of trading can seem daunting, but with the right tools and knowledge, it doesn't have to be. So gear up, dive in, and happy trading.